everyone, today I'm going to do a review on this product, that is Fair and Lovely BB Instant Fair Look Cream. Yeah, right now I have nothing on my face. I have just put on little bit of kajal, that's it. My face is completely naked. So yeah, I'll do the demo of this cream for you all. Personally, I'm telling you, I'm not into that thing of getting fairer or whiter or that concept, you know, it doesn't goes in my mind at all. Like, how can one get fairer suddenly by applying just one cream? So yeah, this Fair and Lovely concept, I'm not into it. But if you have, you know, skin should always be healthy, glowing, rather than being fairer. It should be healthy, glowing. Even if you're of darker tone, you know, it should glow. Your skin should glow, right? So I'm not going to go in that fair and dark and look all that things. I'll switch on to this. Yeah, so this product is like you will get this is the smallest one which I'm having right now with me, and it is how much? It is it's not written. Okay, fine. This is like of 49 rupees, and this is the smallest one. The other one is of, I guess, 100 rupees, 150 and 250, something like that. So this product is somewhat like this, yeah. And on top of it, it's written Foundation Plus Fairness Cream, BB Instant Fair Look Makeup Finish, and it's just in one shade, that is lighter. It's too light for my skin. It is like you know, BB cream. I'll just open it. Okay, it's this much, and it is 9 grams. 9 grams for 49 rupees. Okay, and I'll just open it. It's in this form, just like other Fair and Lovely creams. So yeah, I'll do jaldi say one demo of it, and then I'll talk about it, how it is, and you know, how the texture and all is. So let's get started. This is the cream. I'm taking it on the back of my hand. I'll dot it all my face. It has that typical Fair and Lovely fragrance. As you guys can see, it's too light for my skin tone. It didn't cover any of my dark spots at all, as it claims that it covers up your dark spots and all. So yeah, I can see my dark spots are still on, and it is like simple. I mean, no heavy coverage. It's like simple, and yes, I am sweating. It's, if you are of oily skin, I am literally sweating. Yeah, if your skin texture and all that T-zones are oily, then you will definitely sweat like anything. I am doing that right now. So yeah, I'll read what all is written over here. It says, Fair and Lovely BB Foundation Plus Fairness Cream. New Fair and Lovely BB Cream is an expert product that brings together foundation and advanced multivitamin fairness cream for instant fair look, coverage of dark spots and blemishes, which I don't think it covered. Okay, even skin tone, yeah, it evened out. Okay, my skin tone, like it's looking like same, it evened out. Okay, fine. Sun protection is like SPF 15, matte non-oily feel. Okay, frankly telling you guys, I am feeling literally oily. It's not matte for me, at least. So yeah, and it's written how to use, apply the cream like I showed you right now, same way you need to apply. And then it says Fair and Lovely BB cream makes me look perfect instantly. It gives an instant fair look with a makeup like finish. Now frankly telling you guys, I didn't like the product so much because I thought it will be like oil free and all, but still you can see I am sweating, and slowly my T-zone area and this area will get different. So yeah, and apart from that, those are of dry skin can use this. Oily skin, so yeah, I mean, if you are investing on this product, invest, but buy one smaller one. And yeah, you can apply this under your makeup as a base primer. You can use this, and if you don't sweat a lot, then definitely you can go for it, and then you can apply your foundation, compact, and whatever, like we apply generally. So yeah, I mean, I didn't like this product so much. Personally, I don't like Fair and Lovely products, but I wanted to give a try to this one. So it's not okay for me, but yeah, that's it. So yes, if you liked it, then please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and it would mean a lot to me. And of course, yes, keep watching and do take care of yourself. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.